I think my first surfing memory was probably when I was about 11. I think it was my first barrel it was one of my first trips up north, and yeah, I just remember taking off. It was probably way smaller and deeper than I thought it was, but I thought it was a massive wave, really shallow and drawing off the reef. Yeah, I still remember it till today, and yeah, I love it.
In my mind, 1,000 times, your unseen eyes.
Success is pretty much what I thrive for. To win, it's a pretty good feeling. What drives me to succeed is the fact that I don't want to lose. Surfing means a lot for me because I've done it for so long, and whenever I want to relax or just have a bit of fun, I always go for a surf, and yeah, I'm still loving it.